You gonna be big. Yep. Straight up. You gonna be big. Gutter TV. You gonna be big. Straight up. And that's how.
Yeah. We got the rats. Yeah, they long. The long ass way. The long ass way on the rats. We got the goat yard. We got. I'm saying we got tape right here. Yeah, you know you did. But tape. I'm saying. Oh.
You're big rats, you know.
Big rats. The big rats, man.
I'm going outside.
You can plug it in.
What you doing, man?
First flight, in route.
Yeah, big jet.
Be a little bumpy, but
Pull up my brother. I
got some rats on that, baby. I got all type of rats.
Yeah, sure. This shit the long way. That's all. Oh, they make the same rat. Those ain't the same price either. Oh, he got more. We don't give y'all details. We don't give all the details. Big boy jet, though. Big boy jet, by the way.
We standing up with him. Hit the head. Look, it's all good because I'm having bread.
The rat way. Rat tray. The rat way. Rat way. Yeah, we standing up in the big boy jets. Yeah.
Probably like his belts and memorabilia. I want to just see the history, ask for some shit, take it back, put it in my frame and frame it. Hold on, man, I gotta touch me one of these. What that one? Who fights you? I forgot. The champ way. It's heavy too. And he represents strength, power, attack mode, being a dog. I really feel like he's a great guy.
The new champions in the house. New champ.
We the new champ. You did. You the first man I seen with a tiger. And right now, I'm trying to buy me a white tiger. Yeah, the white tiger. Damn, you just sold that motherfucker?
I gotta get rid of them, baby. Gotta get rid of them. Gotta send these kids to school. They wanna go to universities. They wanna go to universities.
How old is he?
8.
What was that you playing?
That's a weird name. I can't pronounce.
Stay at it, man. Gutter TV. You gonna be big, man. For real. Follow me, man. Subscribe. For real. Yeah.
You gonna be big. Straight up. You gonna be big. Gutter TV. You gonna be big. Straight up. And that's how that.